Okay. Okay. Responsibility. You have it all your life. School, work, money. Some seem to love it. They embrace it even.
I don't want to get up.
As for me, here's what I think. Even though he does have to get up.
Okay. I'm getting out of bed.
This is me. Yep. 10 years of college, $90,000 in debt, ready to take on the world. Look at me now. Of course I'm going to work. What else would a jolly, responsible guy like me be doing on this beautiful Friday morning? That milk expired 2 weeks ago. Of course. Why wouldn't it be expired? That was on purpose too. Oh well. What else are diabetes meds for? I just spit all over my dog, just so you know. Hi. Oh! Nice. What do you have to worry about? You're a dog. All you gotta do is sniff her butt. It must be so great to be a dog. No work, no responsibilities, just freedom. I bet I'd even have a girlfriend.
Hi, sweetie. Here you go. Oh my gosh, okay.
Over here! Over here! I'm ready! Right here!
Monday, we have to go to my mom's barbecue, and right before that, we have to go pick up some chicken and asparagus. Don't forget. Honey, what are you doing? Hey, that's mine! Stop it! Give it back! Hey!
I haven't been on a date in 5 years, so.
Whoa! Hey! Oh my gosh. Okay, stop it. Jeez, you're not a dog. That's it. I'm leaving. Find yourself another female, dog.
Maybe not. Whatever, Diego. You still have a great life. Oh my God! I'm so sorry. I was talking to my dog and I turned. I didn't see you.
Oh, my coat.
I'm so sorry. I could get it dry cleaned. I could get you another coffee.
Oh. You know what? That's okay. It was just an accident. I see you like to wear yours too.
Yeah. I'm so sorry.
No, that's okay. It's just such a busy day at work. You know, I'm heading into the office and just all these emails and just I'm so busy. You know.
Hey, you know what? I'm going to work too. But can I take you to go get another coffee?
You know what? Sure. That sounds like a great idea. I think I'm just about out anyways.
Nice. It's a good place just right around here, actually.
Oh yeah, just down the street.
This is midnight.